Hey, this is Professor Perez. In this video, we are going to take a look at sales tax and commission. But before we get started, we got to get out Charlie. He better be ready to go. Hey Charlie, you ready? Let's get started. Right there, sales tax. The amount of sales tax is a percentage of the purchase price. Remember, purchase price represents the price that's shown on the price tag. Let's go back to our structure. Percent times total equals a portion. The percent is the percent sales tax. The total is the purchase price, the price on the price tag. And the portion is the amount of sales tax. Therefore, to calculate the amount of sales tax, you simply multiply percent sales tax times the purchase price. If we translate that equation into a word statement, here's how it reads. The amount of sales tax is a percentage of the purchase price, and that's it. Now let's put it to work. A person purchases a television for $749.99. The sales tax rate is 8.25%. What is the sales tax amount? Well, to calculate the amount of sales tax, you simply multiply the percent sales tax times the purchase price. Since we're trying to calculate the amount of sales tax, we will represent that quantity by the variable x. Percent sales tax as a decimal is 0.0825. Remember, you move the decimal 2 places to the left. The purchase price is $749.99. So to calculate the amount of sales tax, you multiply those two numbers together and you end up with $61.87. And that is the amount of sales tax. Now, generally, when you perform these calculations, you get a long string of decimals from your calculator. But because we're talking about dollar amounts, we always round to the nearest hundredth. Don't forget. Here's another problem. The total price paid for a refrigerator was $1,244.85. That's the price paid at the cash register, and it includes the amount of sales tax. The price tag indicates a purchase price of $1,158. That's the price on the price tag. What is the sales tax rate? Here's our equation. The amount of sales tax equals the percent tax times the purchase price. We are looking for the percent tax, so we need the purchase price and the amount of sales tax. But we are not given the amount of sales tax, but we are given the price paid at the register, and we know the price on the price tag. So if we take the difference of those two amounts, that will give us the amount of sales tax. So we take $1,244.85 and subtract $1,158. So that's the price paid at the register, subtract the purchase price. And that gives us $86.85, and that is the amount of sales tax. So now we can start filling in amounts into our equation. The amount of sales tax is $86.85. Since we're looking for percent sales tax, we will represent that quantity by X. And the purchase price, the price on the price tag, is $1,158. And so our equation is $86.85 is equal to 1,158x. To solve for x, we divide both sides by 1,158. And we get 0.075 for x, where x represents the percent sales tax. So we need to report a percent. So to convert a decimal to a percent, we move the decimal 2 places to the right, and so our answer is 7.5%. So the sales tax rate, or percent sales tax, was 7.5%. Now let's look at commission problems. Again, we're going to keep our general structure. To calculate the amount of commission, you simply multiply the percent commission times the total sales. That's it. It's basically a portion equals a percent times a total. The amount of commission is a percentage of the total sales, and that's it. Now let's put this one to work. A salesperson sells $3,512.23 worth of furniture in 1 week. Her commission rate is 18%. How much commission did she earn? Well, let's bring out our equation. The amount of commission is equal to the percent commission times the total sales. Since we're looking for the amount of commission, we will represent that quantity by X. The percent commission, it was 18%. Changing that to a decimal, remember, move it 2 places to the left, and we get 0.18. and the total sales was given, that's $3,512.23. And so to calculate x, multiply 0.18 times 3,512.23, and you should get 632.20, which represents $632.20. And that's how much commission she earned. There you go. Let's do one more. A sales clerk has a certain commission rate. A recent paycheck showed the amount of commission earned was $985.23. The total sales for the clerk during this pay period was $6,568.20. What is the commission rate? Here's our equation. Now, we are looking for the commission rate, or the percent commission. The amount of commission was given, that's $985.23. The percent commission is what we are looking for, so we will represent that quantity by X, and the total sales is $6,568.20. So our equation is 985.23 is equal to 6,568.20x. To solve for x, divide both sides by 6,568.20, and you end up with 0.15 for x. But remember, x represents percent commission, so we're not going to report our answer as a decimal. We need to report a percentage. Therefore, we convert that decimal to a percent by moving the decimal place 2 places to the right, Charlie. So what is the percentage, Charlie? 15%. Very good there, Charlie. You were paying attention, right? Okay, that completes sales tax and commission. Let's take a break, and I hope to see you again soon.